Welcome back. Today's video is pretty simple, but I feel like it could benefit a bunch of you. If you're like me, you like to take your rig off-road, and with doing that, it gets super dirty, especially your wheels. So in today's video, we're gonna be ceramic coating our wheels. We just got these brand new wheels from 1552. The sad part is the cleanest they're ever gonna be is probably when you buy them. But to help with that a tiny bit, you can ceramic coat them. And with doing that, it just makes it so the cleaning process is easier. And in theory, they should be cleaner all the time. Enough yapping, we're gonna get right to it. Process is pretty simple. All you really need is your rim coating. And for today, we're gonna be using the Geon rim coating. I've used this before on my previous set of wheels and I loved it. If you have like matte black wheels, ceramic coating helps so much. I can't even explain. And then before we apply this coating, we are going to prep the wheel with just some degreaser. You could use anything like isopropyl alcohol, but we have this stuff from Geon that we're gonna use as well. And then I like to have two different towels as well. This is kind of my prep towel, and then this is for wiping the coating off. The one thing about ceramic coating your wheels is you want to make sure that the coating is laid out level and evenly across the whole surface, because if there is high spots in some areas, you'll be able to tell, especially if you're using a bright light, you'll be able to see where the ceramic coating is, and then you just have to level out some more if there's any high spots. The easiest way to do this is with the wheels off the car, but for our sakes, our tires are already mounted on the rig, so we're gonna be doing this on the car. You could take the wheels off and do the back of the barrels as well. I do have a wheel that does not have a tire on it at home, so if you stick around, we're gonna do that one as well. Kind of show you what it looks like when the wheels are off the car too. The first thing you're gonna wanna do with your wheels is make sure you give them a good wipe down with some degreaser so the coating can have something to stick to. And before this, I gave my wheels a really good hand wash and was trying to get in all the cracks and crevices. I'd say the most important part about coating is just making sure that your prep is good. Because if your prep's good, the coating will just stick on easier and it'll just be easier to wipe off in general. That's why it's best to do this when you first get your wheels, because then you don't have to worry about your wheels being super dirty. If you do go with Geon, this is what the coating actually looks like. Crystal clear. And then for the barrels of the wheels, they do provide one of these, so it's super easy to use. For our sake, since we're not doing the barrels, we're just gonna be using one of these applicator pads, or not even a pad, just this cloth, and we're gonna drip some coating on and then wipe it throughout the wheels. When putting the coating on the pad, I usually just put a few drops on. You'll kind of get the feel for it. Don't overdo it, but don't put too little. And then you're gonna wanna apply it evenly throughout the wheel. And what I typically like to do is divide the wheel up into sections. So first I'll do the outer ring, and then I'll divide the wheel up into two. I'll do one half of the wheel first and then the other half second. Just make sure to take your time with it, and there's really nowhere you can go wrong. I would suggest using a bright light, and then you can see areas of where there's excess coating or where the high spots are. It doesn't have to be perfect, remember that. Just like that, that is one wheel done. It's pretty simple to do. It just takes a little bit of patience and a little bit, you just gotta look out for the coating, make sure it's perfectly leveled out. It's as simple as that, and now we're on to the next wheel. Same thing as last wheel. Take your time, make sure all the coating is laid out evenly. If you want, you could even split the wheel into fours, but what I think is easiest is just doing half and half. Because if you try to do it all at once, there is a chance that some of the coating will be harder to wipe off because it just had longer time to sit on the wheel and bond to the surface. For my sake, I just like, cutting it right in half, doing this first and then this. We have exactly one more wheel to go. It's honestly a pretty quick process if just get in the zone and get them all done. And they look pretty good. Looking nice and shiny. Real quick, before we do the other wheel, I'm gonna show you what a high spot will actually look like. It's kind of super hard to see, but you see how it's more glossy right here and then it's more matte right here? If you have it in a good source of light, you'll be able to see where there is an excess of coating. Simply to get that to go away, you just wanna level it out. Essentially just wiping it off. But that is all of our wheels done, just in the nick of time before the sun sets. But this video is not over yet because we're gonna do our spare wheel that has no tire on it as well. We'll see you back at the house when we're doing the other wheel. Back home, and we have the wheel that does not have a tire on it. So if you're doing this before you install some tires on your wheels, it's a lot easier having the wheels off the car than on the car. And it's a lot better to do this right when you get the wheels, because that will ensure that they're the cleanest they will ever be, because they haven't seen dirt and any road debris. They're perfect. We're basically gonna be doing the same exact thing that we did before, prepping the wheels with some degreaser, make sure there's no residue or anything on the wheels so the coating goes on nicely, and then we can coat our wheels. But we are gonna be doing the inside of the barrels as well. I recommend you do this because it just makes cleaning a whole lot easier. But we're just gonna go ahead and get started with cleaning the face of the wheel, just every single part of the wheel we're gonna clean. This part's easy. It's cleaning the barrels. Now that our wheels are clean, it's as simple as just applying the coating. For the barrels, this is where this comes in handy, because you can put one of these cloths on the bottom and then simply just apply. And then for our barrels, we're not even gonna wipe it down. We're just gonna leave it, apply it thick. Even if there's high spots at the back of the barrels, you're not gonna be able to see them. You can wipe it if you want, but I'm just gonna make sure to level it out really good with this. With our wheel like this, we're just gonna wanna grab our coating, put a decent amount of drops on our cloth, and you can really just go to town. There's no special way to do this. You just wanna make sure you're getting it on the wheel. And like I said before, you don't have to level out the coating. You can if you want. But now that we're done with this, we're gonna flip it back over and do the face of the wheels. What I like to do when the wheels are off the car, same as on the car, but I like to start with this outer rim. It might be different depending on what wheels you're using. Like I said before, I like to divide it into, sections. First section we're gonna start with is the outer rim. Same thing as before. You're gonna wanna put a few drops on the cloth and then wipe it throughout the section of the wheel that you're working on. Just make sure you get the coating everywhere and level it out as you go. This is where a light comes in handy because you can see where the coating is and where it is not. Don't let the coating sit on there too long. You're gonna wanna wipe it off promptly. I wouldn't let it sit on for, more than 3 minutes. I would recommend wearing gloves. I always forget to wear gloves doing this. Highly recommend. Now we can wipe/level out everything we just did. And if you are using a light, you can see the hue. It's like a rainbow hue almost of the coating. If you're using a bright light, you should clearly be able to see the coating. Like right now, in this light, I'll get a shot of it before I wipe them down, but you can clearly see where the coating has been laid. We're also gonna get our center emblem as well. Now we can go ahead and wipe our wheels down, level out the coating. Just like that, our wheels are ceramic coated and protected. Like I said before, this just helps not maintaining, but just cleaning your wheels or your car in general. Because wheels can be just such a pain sometimes to clean. And doing this just helps that little bit extra to, help you out when you're cleaning your wheels. All the product links that I use to do this will be in the description below. Geon rim coating, prep as well. But for this, you can just use isopropyl alcohol as well. You don't have to use this. This is our spare wheel for the GX. I can't wait to get a tire on this thing. Hopefully get a rear swing out, because this thing just looks so good. I love the silver, the black. I love everything about it. I wasn't sure if I should make this video originally, but I feel like it could help some of you guys out that are looking to keep your car clean. I'm always taking videos and pictures of my car, and keeping the wheels clean is not a priority, but when I'm taking those videos and pictures, I like to have clean wheels. If this video helped you, comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I was debating on posting this, but figured maybe it would reach the right people. New videos every Sunday. We will see you next week. Do the 3 things that help support my channel. We'll see ya. Drive safe.